एक बात समझ नहीं आ रही है, यहाँ एल्यूमिनियम की हंडिया पड़ी थी, वहाँ मिर्जा की चप्पलें पड़ी थी, यहाँ 2 बकरियां बांध रखी हैं, साला हमारा ही बर्फ मेरा निकालने के लिए।
अरे बल्ब ना चोरी हुई, निगोड़ी जायदाद चोरी हो गई।
इनकी जायदाद वाली सूरत कहाँ?
In the city of Lucknow, during festival time, a few puppeteers travel from suburb to suburb performing their shows. These puppets, dressed in colorful, shiny clothes and trinkets, are named after the 2 heroines who are represented in the show. Sitabo, the worn-out, overworked spouse, and Gulabo, the scintillating mistress of the same man. Sujit Sircar told his audience about the idea behind the title Gulabo Sitabo. He said, "The idea came to me from my writer Juhi Chaturvedi. It is about the relationship of these characters, about his family. The basic idea was to look into the characters of these people who are economically in hand-to-mouth situations, struggling with their lives. How do they deal with everyday life and where do the characters go? What is the human behavior we see in them that you and I can relate to?" That was the basic germination. Later on, we came to know about Gulabo Sitabo, the puppeteers, and we used the characters as a metaphor for the film. And like how I put a camera in the middle of Piku and observed that world, I have done the same here. This performing art is an old dying art form. There are a lot of puppeteers who are unable to sustain because it is a dying art. So we thought, why not give an ode to this puppet art? And probably it can come back into our lives with people, children, listening to their stories. So that is how the title also came up. Gulabo Sitabo became the first major Bollywood movie to skip theatres entirely and released directly on streaming service, that is Amazon Prime Video, owing to the COVID-19 pandemic that's keeping cinemas shut across India. It's caused a havoc within the film industry, dividing stakeholders. Cinema chains have expressed their disappointment on this. It's all good news for people though, who get to see Bachchan and Khurana in a new movie from the comfort of their homes. In fact, it's the first digital release. This is the 5th collaboration for director Sujit Sircar and writer Juhi Chaturvedi together, after their successful collaborations on Vicky Donut and Piku. The film set in Lucknow. The film, which is Sircar's first attempt at satire, follows a bickering duo, an elderly landlord Mirza played by Amitabh Bachchan and his young tenant Banke played by Ayushmann Khurrana. Gulabo Sitabo is the story of a crooked old man, Mirza, of the cursed expression being the old man, the landlord of the building. He is actually more of a caretaker with his wife, the Begum, who is the real owner. Not that it really matters to him. He lords over the tenants, who are an untruly bunch with Banke as their unelected head. Mirza's lifelong ambition is to own the building and clear it of Banke and his family, who have not paid rent for months. Banke, who claims that his family has been staying here for 7 decades, matches him insult for insult, trick for trick. What happens next is that you have to watch in the film. Juhi Chaturvedi has created a story that is intelligent and witty at the same time. Amitabh Bachchan owns the role of the grouchy, shred, yet hilarious Mirza, with absolute comfort even with all prosthetic and weird stuff. And hence once again Ayushmann brings something new to his table. Shrishti Srivastav as Guddo has stood over in her previous outings on web shows. Impresses here too. Vijay Raj and Bijendra Kala are comical as always. 3-time National Award winner Abhik Mukhopadhyay have captured Lucknow so well, every frame is charming and you will feel like visiting Lucknow. Shantanu Moitra's original score is good too. Continuously cat and dog bickering of both the characters over the Haveli is a must watch. It's a straight satire on greed. Some people may have a complaint about the pace of the film, but trust me guys, this kind of cinema is all we need right now. The message is short and simple, that it's okay to desire a lot in life, but extreme greed often doesn't land you in the right place. That's it people, that was my review of Gulabo Sitabo. Thank you so much, hope you like this video. Please like and share this video, also consider subscribing to the channel and also hit the bell icon for more videos like this. I post videos every week. My name is Kapil Batra, signing off.